Selling that, $5 and that, and I'm trying to like bargain and that, and then I'm like, what am I doing? I've just fixed you like $4 like give me $5, you stingy bastard. You know what I mean? I said before, man, I hate these people who barter over 50p, and then like, I wanted to see how much I could get him down to. It was like a game, and then when I got it, I was like, just fucking give it him anyway. look at that for a picture on Tinder, look at that. People, look at that for a brick, man, that's sick. That's about $4 my life savings. But we're buying a van, obviously, man. You already know, kid, that's sick, that is it. Funny that, you know, but on Tinder, like trap star and that. Right, I've got all the money here with me now in my bag. We're going to meet the fella to buy the car. Okay, we're going to meet the fella to buy the car. I'm sick to death of waiting around, man. Honest to God, I said to the fella, and I said, look, I'm buying the car today. I'm sorting the bed out. Like, this shit needs to happen. I've got the stickers of that for the car, but the next video is not going to be me hunting again, people.